G'day everybody, I'm Andrew Drinkwater and most people call me Drinks. I've been doing the Manly to Shelley and back swim for many years now, and today we just thought we'd try and share a few basic ocean safety swimming tips to try and keep everybody as safe as possible. How beautiful is this place where we get to swim every day? So tip number one is always swim with a buddy. You're going to have way more fun if you're doing this swim with someone else. It's going to be way safer, because if anything happens, you've always got someone there who can call for help, raise the alarm, and generally give you a hand if anything happens. So tip number two is always check the conditions before you swim in the ocean. So grab your buddy, have a good look at what the ocean's doing on the day that you arrive and at the time that you arrive. The ocean's continually changing. The tides change, the waves change, the wind changes at all times during the day. So for our particular swim, when it's a rough day or there's swell or a lot of wind, many people don't swim from Manly. They walk around to Shelley with their buddy and they swim in and out of Shelley Beach. So tip number three is always swim to your ability. So once you've grabbed your buddy, once you've checked the conditions on the day, it's time for the fun part. It's time to get your budgies on, get your cap on, get your goggles on, and enter the water. So tip four is keep left and always swim in a clockwise direction. So we drive on the left, we walk on the left, and we always swim on the left of the black line when we're in the pool. So when you're doing the Manly to Shelley swim, please stay on the left. So when you leave the beach, stay on the left, head out to the point, give plenty of room between yourself and the point. Tip number five, if you're swimming in the mornings, please swim with one of the main groups at 6:30 or 7 o'clock. Swimming with one of these groups, you'll be swimming in the same direction as other swimmers that are in the water with you. We need to keep collisions and especially head collisions, to a minimum. If you swim with the main group at 6:30 or 7, you'll have way more fun. You'll have heaps of mates out there all swimming together. You'll be able to have a coffee afterwards and talk about how well you all did. If we all do this at all times of day, we should avoid collisions and we should all be able to have a safe, enjoyable and fun swim together.